So, andito tayo sa Mireya Residences in Pasig City along Amang Rodriguez Avenue to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. May kuryente siya. So this is the unit. Solana building. Maayos pa siya. At may mga gamit. 51 square meters. Very spacious bathroom. And then ito yung bedroom 1. And then this is the masters or primary. Meron siyang access to the balcony. So ayan ang view niya. Yan. Malaki din yung balcony niya. So this is around 4.9 million. Available in cash or at least 30% down payment and then 70% balance, in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So this is as is where is upon turnover. Usually lahat ng movables inside the unit kasama na po sa sale yan. Pero i-double check natin yan sa bangko. Kasi yung ibang bangko sinasama na, yung iba hindi, pinupull out. Malapit lang po tayo sa Eastwood, sa Bridgetown, and then sa Marcos Highway. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So andito tayo sa Mireya Residences. Ito yung clubhouse nila or amenity area. Kompleto dito, may basketball court, tennis court, adult and kiddie pool, parks and playground, and many more. And malapit din po siya sa Eastwood, sa Bridgetown or Opus Mall, sa Marcos Highway, along Amang Rodriguez Avenue, Pasig City. So meron tayong mga foreclosed units dito for as low as around 4 million. And then meron po may mga parking around 5 million and up. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So ang ganda ng mga amenities nila dito. Well, pag DMCI talaga maganda. Tanin nyo. You get what you pay for pagdating sa mga amenities nila. And well maintained lahat. Tanin nyo naman. Yung basketball court dun sa may kabilang building. Ito yung parks and playground nila. Diba? Ang ganda. Dadaan dito. Basketball court nila. Tennis court and pickle.
Sa BGC sa ano?
May parking. Ganda oh. Ganda ng swimming pool nila.